worry about that. So all you gotta do is crank it, make sure your face is nice and close to it, and you're nice and good. In terms of belt removal here, the belt looks like it's stronger than your finger, but your finger's actually stronger. So if you just start it and you just lift it right off as it's going, it'll come right off much easier than wrestling with it.
Of that magic JB Weld.
So right now we're just putting in our new engine oil. We change it after every endurance race weekend. You can go a little bit longer, but with the amount of abuse we put on the engine, it's a lot cheaper than damaging the engine, right?
So right now we're just reinstalling our racing radio, which we had taken out. We have a very cheap comm system that we realized we should just invest and utilize the radios that we have. We're installing a professional one, so just sniffing out the old one, gonna install the new one, or the old cord that was in here before.
So basically right now what we're doing is vacuuming out our rad and our cooling system. And we're gonna replace all of our coolant with fresh water and water wetter.
So what are we doing here, Tone?
So right now we're just tapping in some new threads for our time cert. We're just repairing them because we ended up pulling all the threads out of our hanger bearing, or half shaft bearing I should say. So we're just putting our new threads in and just about done.
That's fine. Come on this side so you can use the light. Behind, yeah.
Well, I'm gonna do the engine mount. You're right, I'll empty the versatile tank.
So goopy and sticky.
Getting all gooped in there.
You need the nozzle. Can you pull it off the other one?
Like a goopy goober.
I was like, John.
Nope.
You just run over Paul.
You just ran over some parts.
No, it's not parts.
Oh no.
The socket thing.
Oh no.
Big toe, dude.
Yo, email Amazon and
Return it. You could claim that.
We have video footage. We
How
broke the
big's up?
10 and the 11.
How Bezos it broke.
The most important. You could just report the most important one.
Oh, we're going to. Tools first.
Look at that
That's
thing.
what happened when two goopy goobers get out.
Do you guys follow Jeff Major on Instagram? No. Dude.
This little 59 go up on the windshield.
Ethan, you like?
Really?
Or the motor force in there somewhere.
I got perfect. I got some of this.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
So we're rebuilding the calipers.
Right now we're just popping the pistons out and then we're gonna change the pressure seals and the wiper seals, clean up all the pistons, put everything back and bleed the brakes.
We're doing some stickers.
Kicked out of this table though, so I'm just cleaning up. Shop manager kicked me out.
The foreman.
And some stickers done on the car.
Starting to really look like a race.
Oh, he just does everything that actually matters, and then we're like, we're gonna make it look cool.
I make the cargo room.
You do more than that, buddy.
Very nice.
I want to redo this
Easy
more to
there.
really try and paint match it a little bit.
I have Bondo, I bought the fresh stuff.
I know, but I gotta crack some of this.
Well, that yellow that you had
sand and
before
refill
was
it.
pretty close.
The construction yellow that I had, it was a cat yellow or something.
No, he's
You ready?
quit blowing on me.
Very guys, I like.
I know.
I love you. I love you, my girl. Oh, look at that PL Premium. Feel this mount too. It's solid.
Oh god, brother, it's gonna be fun to put together.
PL Premium gets it done. I'm getting ready to get this subframe back in.
There's also polyurethane ones that don't break, so.
Getting all his hardware sorted. This
Next.
is buttoned up,
Dude,
so the focus
Chilling the engine,
can start.
Looks a little corroded here.
front and back.
And then this one.
Subframe's getting ready
I'm
to
not bringing that too, I'm just gonna bring
Get
two.
put back in
and
the
I'll deal
car.
with the other stuff after.
boys just setting, organizing the hardware.
Tony's going into air jail right now.
No, you're ready for
We call it air jail when
I've been shot.
only because you have the most experience.
This is gonna suck.
That should be rigged and breaking. Branching
And another
with the
59
That
on
means
it.
like the front fenders have the logo.
And
Let's
there's
go.
Are you ready to go up? You're in and good?
Okay.
You up there, Tone? Yeah, we'll start cranking. No, drop the lift, the hoist.
You never want to be too safe.
Jack it up.
Why they vibrate?
Ethan, come hold the others.
You can film, we got it, don't
Oh, yeah, we got it.
Go film, bud.
I have it filming.
All this gold. There's a hole down there. You got Big Tone up in jail.
Up in that little hole. Or I might have to come a bit down now.
Either the car has to come down or we just gotta muscle it the rest of the way.
Let's put the car down.
Lower it a bit. I'll bring the car
Oh, hold on, I gotta make sure I have the steering column.
Okay, we're lowering the car a bit anyways, Tone.
Okay,
Straight down? Okay. You see the head come out? You should see it shortly. You going down?
down. Come down.
Yeah. Keep it going. Oh, wait, stop.
No, you just settle down, Tone, okay?
You not know what the frig is going on here, right? Settle down there, boy. Okay, we're on the log.
Yeah.
There?
Give it a very slow pump.
Are we in? Or can I shimmy it so I can get the other bolt on this side in?
I haven't just started. If you got any issues with it, you can. You dropped the rear, didn't you?
No. Okay, well, let's get the 4 things on. The bolts? Where are the other 2 here, Emma? Yeah, just gotta thread it on. Then we can now just adjust it on the jack. But it's secure up there. You know what I mean? No, I'm talking to Ambo.
This one won't thread yet.
Tone, how far off are you? Are you close?
Yeah, I can like put it on. I'm just trying to pick what tooth looks best.
Okay.
No problem.
We're not holding it on. We got the 4 bolts in.
Make sure everything else is lined up now, Tone.
Can I get the other 2 little ones in right now? Or you're not high enough.
Not high enough. We're just like on the.
Okay, give it like the very slowest, minute amount of pumping. Like do like half a pump. We'll go very.
Bound up on those.
Oh, is it this right here? This rag right here? What's this rag? Where are the power steering lines?
They're wrapped up in a rag up near the exhaust.
That's what I'm looking at right here.
They're up at the tunnel.
Back end of it?
What's going on, guys? Locked up in air gel. My sentence looks like another 10 to 20 hours, hopefully.
Never getting into air jail.
I release the pressure.
Just trying to finesse things in.
And then move it up and down, Tone. See.
This one's almost done.
The frame's almost in.
Almost.
What are you trying to align right now?
I'm just gonna eyeball it because it was hella tight down.
It did have a lot of toe right.
We gotta put it on the rack.
I think I overfilled it when you turn on the car, it might go out the top.
Took your diets. He's got him on.
Ethan, give me a dough.
What?
Give me a dough.
A dough nut.
Yeah.
Big Tom, what are we doing right now?
Right now we are checking for any leaks.
Leading the power steering.
How do I use the short one for this? The short 14. Where did those 2 washers come from?
Oh, John.
Are there log washers for the caliper bolts?
Oh, probably. No, they're just normal washers.
Got Big Tone rebuilding the calipers here. Very meticulous job.
So, Big Tone. What are we finalizing?
Oh, just cleaning up the caliper here. We got a new pistons, new seals, everything all in there. So, should be good for another season.
Yeah, I get it from this thing.
Okay, Tone, what are we working on here?
So right now we're just putting the brake lines back on the caliper. We're gonna bleed them out, and then they'll be fully rebuilt. You don't know, I'm going crazy trying to...
What are we doing, John? Bleeding the brakes?
We are bleeding the brakes, so I gotta pump it louder. That's my beard.
So how many times you got pumped?
A couple hundred times before we can fill this caliper full of fluid.
Its legs walk out.
They'll be changing halfway through.
Call it leg day.
Pump,
Holding, bottom.
pump.
Well, if you put it that way for sure, 'cause you can't.
You're holding?
Oh, we're getting the brake pedal.
Pump.
Holding,
A little bit of air bubbles.
Just a bit now. Pump.
holding.
Sarah's keeping her topped up. So what are we doing over here?
So we are putting some water. Go. So we are putting washers on the bearings in the car because our axles are being rebuilt, and it's so that the 2 bearings won't grind on themselves and.
Roll! Figure it out, man!
Figure it out. I'm Big Tone. This is my angry YouTube.
Your sweater's looking fresh.
Mine, I know.
So we are we're dropping the control arms again because we got to put the axles in now. Finally got them back from Axle Automotive. My boy James. Shout out James. We got them all repacked, inspected, and ready for racing. And we need all of John to apparently pull this thing out. Yeah.
You get a little lube on the finger.
Lubrication.
So we just lube it up before we put it in.
You want
That way
the
we don't have
slide
any
in
dry
very nice.
splines going into the transmission.
Come on, Bilo, give us a description. So, in they go. Ready for abuse. This is our favorite axle. The right side of a front-wheel drive car. The long one. In the full tentacle figures. I told you. Tony doubts me. But guess who's fixing this right now? And guess what? Threaded. 2 seconds. I'm the master technician. Give me a certification. It's threaded. See this? You can turn it about 1 millimeter at a time. This engine mounts in the way. Oh wait. Oh wait, you're coming at that at an obtuse angle.
An obtuse angle, eh?
Or is it acute? Oh no, it would be obtuse. You're alright.
The final steps. Axle torque.
Press on the brake. Throw it in gear.
Do one more.
Oh, it didn't even.
They put the wheel choppers in them.
Oh, my helmet's in there.
I feel like I saw that last week.